Need to change your Gmail password for better account security? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. First, to change your Gmail password, open a web browser and go to your Google account settings page. You can get there easily by visiting the website myaccount.google.com and signing in to your Google account. Once you are on the main page, look for the Security tab on the left-hand menu and click on it. In the Security section, scroll to the Signing into Google box and then click on the Password option. You might be asked to enter your current password again to verify that it is you making the password change. Finally, you can enter your new, strong password twice and then click the Change Password button to secure your Gmail account. And that's how you can change your Gmail password, a simple process to keep your Google account secure. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.